Greetings, y'all. Sorry I ain't been able to tap in for a few days. Been out of town, but got one for y'all. This piece right here, the rock actually broke off. He actually has his full tooth, but as you can see, his teeth in the top are slightly crooked. Bottom are actually very straight. Naturally, just like his teeth. And he wanted the grill. He was adamant. Most people, I would say 8 out of 10, tell me they want to keep it crooked because they want it to look like their natural teeth. They don't want it to look fake. So as you can see, these are crooked. But when I put that joint over it, still crooked, but it's looking very nice. Pair the two, 8 top, 8 bottom, which is my most popular set. We sell these almost daily. I would say probably daily. We get to order these or every other day. It's the best sets because it shows off the teeth and it shows off all that gold. Yes, yes, yes. You can still get you one of these. Start at about $880. I've been having a lot of people upgrade to that 18K gold. This is actually 10K. These are right here, but there you see 10K looks very good. This person has obviously much straighter teeth on top. But either way, we're gonna make it look good. Love some gold grills. Solid gold grills is lasting for a long time. This is one of people's favorites. This is silver, y'all. It's still tinging too. You get one of these on sale for about $230. Or you can go, you call me today and you catch this IGTV, I'll hook you up with this for $210. Want the top and bottom, I'll do it for $380. The silver, that is. Gold's gonna be $880, like I was saying. You want just the 8-piece like this, you can get that for about, right now, about $450. Nice cuts, nice rounded teeth, and that mirror shine, most importantly. See me back there with that, holding that phone? That's what I'm talking about, man, every tooth. So I gotta do a little bit of fixing right there, but it's all good, it's nothing. This person actually has crooked teeth on top, y'all. The number one questions we get asked is, can I get a grill if I have crooked teeth? Absolutely, guys. So if that's about it, all right, y'all, I'm peace.